Today we're in Romania and we're in a place called Sibiu, and it's in Transylvania. And this is a clock tower which is going to have a look inside. It dates back to the 12th century and it's called the Council Tower, which is in the smaller square. There are two squares here. So we're going to go through the door. Yeah, so I've got a bag with me. Anyway, let's go for it. Go through the door. So the stairs are quite steep. So I say the stairs are quite steep. This happens to be playing copyrighted music, but we'll see if we can talk over it. So there's the reception where you pay. It's too late. The guy's just gone downstairs. I think he's coming back up. And this is one of the rooms. And some things they've got on display. Bit of modern art. So you might hear my voice when the video goes out because it's fucking copyrighted music. So let's go upstairs quickly. I say you wouldn't get a wheelchair up here because let's have a look. So I'm using one of these selfie sticks. So I can only say it looks like cutlery, pots and pans, whatever. And so that's a ceiling there. Nice enough ceiling. They have like an apartment, maybe not, I didn't have an apartment, no. In Italy where they saw that sort of ceiling. Can't get rid of this fucking music though, you know. Well, it's annoying because it's obviously copyrighted. But never mind. So it's only 2 lei. I mean 2 leis, I don't know what 2 lei is. It's 20 pence sterling or something to get in here. So the jewel is when you get to the top apparently, but your guess is as good as mine because I've never been. I wish I hadn't brought this bag with me because one hand I've got the camera. Oh, at the top, look at that. We're at the top. Oh no, we're not. I'm going to leave this bag here and hope no one pinches it. I'll leave it there, they'll think it's part of the bloody the artwork, eh? But there, my bag in the artwork. Oh yeah, there's a mirror there. See, that's the advantage of using a selfie stick. You don't have to get your own shadow in it. But am I impressed with the artwork? So nice ceiling. And so there's the next set of stairs. That's my bag, we'll leave it there as part of the artwork. So it has to be reasonably fit to get up these stairs, reasonably, because they seem to be going on forever. Well, it opens at 10 o'clock in the morning, and it's about 10 past 10. I'm the only person here. I came this early, so normally it's quite crowded. They're queuing to get in here, but not at 10 past 10. A little peek out the window. So apparently in America you can go to the top of the Empire State Building. It's got a narrow staircase and you look at it, the Eye of Liberty. The Eye of Liberty, that sounds a good one, doesn't it? Bloody copyrighted music, sorry I'm going on. It doesn't sort of fit, does it? Pop music in this place, doesn't it? It fits at all in my mind. There it is again. Anyway, maybe we'll just have to... So you get an idea what the place is like. I mean, someone actually think about and put those things there, you know? Someone actually scratched the name on. That sounded a good idea, but I'm not going to do it. These will be easy going down, won't it? I don't know, maybe the clock mechanism that is possible. Yeah, look at that, it's going to strike. Something happened then. Yeah, that's definitely the clock. So I think where's the top? It's warm up here. So it gives an idea what it is. The height and the panoramic view of the city. And I hate copyrighted music. So there's some clocks there, they're pretty, aren't they? I see I'm one of them in the kitchen. And so there it is, I say it's 10:15 now. It's a lovely day here in Romania. And it's 21st of May and the year is 2002. So there's the main square, the big square. That's the huge square. You can see some modern buildings there, but most of them are traditional. You can see like a housing estate in the distance, and obviously you've got the mountains. But generally I have enjoyed myself here, and I recommend come to Romania. And if you're going to use a cell phone, use Orange. They're only $29 lei for 60 gigabytes. By the way, I don't work for Orange. Some more clocks. So come early in the morning like me, it's about, I think, 10:15 now. So if you arrive about 10 o'clock, that's when the door opens and you'll be the only one here. Otherwise you could find there's quite a few people. Look at that fly. Just give you a general idea of this room. So there it is. Thanks for watching, and put a like for me if you will, and have a great day.